4 stages of metamorphosis starts with the egg, and then goes through extreme changes to become the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and then finally the butterfly. Swallowtail butterflies are selective when choosing a place to lay their eggs, as it needs to be near trees or bushes which their larvae can feed on. The lemon tree is one of their preferred plants. Although these eggs were not laid on the tree, the caterpillar relies on sensory receptors called chemoreceptors in its legs, which detect chemical signals to guide it to the lemon tree. The egg's color slowly darkens as the caterpillar is formed, and it survives by eating its own eggshell. The egg stage lasts from 4 to 10 days, after which it emerges as a caterpillar, about 2 mm long. From there it slowly grows to a length of approximately 4.5 centimeters over a period of 3 to 4 weeks. The caterpillar goes through 5 stages known as instars, in which it sheds its skin and changes color. The colors go from a predominantly black color at the beginning and then turns to green. It can also change to a mixed white and orange color during its growth. The caterpillar is not without its hardships in terms of survival, as they can fall victim to spiders, wasps and birds. Here we see a wasp injecting its eggs onto the caterpillar. The larvae from the wasp then live at the caterpillar fluids until they hatch. The caterpillar remains alive during this ordeal, but dies soon after from a ravaged body. Here we see the baby wasp or chalcid emerging from its own cocoon. In this scene the caterpillar was approaching the chrysalis stage when one morning we found that it had gone. All that was left was the digestive waste from the body and 2 drops of caterpillar blood called hemolymph. It was presumed that a bird had attacked and eaten the caterpillar. Once the egg hatches and the caterpillar emerges, it has a unique appearance which resembles bird droppings. This acts as a form of camouflage against predators. As they get bigger they use a defense organ called an arsmaterium, which looks like a deeply forked tongue. When attacked, this organ is pushed out from just behind the head and releases a foul odor which repels predators. The caterpillar has one additional form of defense, in which it mimics its eyes to look like that of a much bigger predator. In other words, it creates a false-looking head with large, brightly colored eye spots, whereas its real head is only a small part of its body at the front. After 3 to 4 weeks, the caterpillar will enter the last, instar stage, to become a chrysalis. First it spins a little bit of silk and attaches itself to a twig or a leaf. The silk forms a loop around the caterpillar to support itself in the chrysalis stage. It then wriggles its way out of the top layer of skin. Eventually, the entire caterpillar skin comes off, including the head, and forms a green chrysalis which slowly turns orange or light brown. The chrysalis stage can last from 9 to 18 days in warm weather, but if it turns cold, it will remain in this stage, which could be the whole winter. And then finally, the magic happens. In the chrysalis stage, enzymes dissolve the cells which slowly creates the butterfly. Once the body, wings, antennae, and legs are in place, it cracks open the top of the chrysalis, and slowly the complete butterfly emerges. The process is slow, as the butterfly must first unfold its legs, antennae and tongue, to check for functionality, as well as wait for its wings to dry. The swallowtail butterfly has a relatively short lifespan of only 30 to 40 days. During this time it must find itself a mate, and then the whole process starts again. Truly, this is one of nature's greatest marvels, and the changes this creature goes through from an egg to a butterfly suggests there is a greater knowledge and intelligence beyond just DNA.